Discuss function and types of functions. Function, I have written here definition of function. Function is a rule or corresponding in which each element of set A domain relates to unique image of codomain set B. Suppose I am taking one example here. I am taking element alpha, beta, gamma, D, A, B, C. In this diagram, alpha is connected through A, beta is connected through B, gamma is connected also to B, and in this diagram, alpha, beta, gamma is connected through A, B, C. So if I will say what is the domain here, the domain will be domain is known as that set A, means whole element of set A. So what is here? Alpha, beta, and gamma. So what is codomain? Codomain is the set B. Set B. So set B is known as codomain. So set B, what are the elements of set B? A, B, C. But range, if I will say you range, so range the element which having image in set B. Alpha, beta, gamma, the element which having the image in set A. We can also say that in a set B, A and B elements are pre-based alpha, beta, gamma. It means A and B element are range. In same figure, you can say also that alpha is connected through A, beta, B, and gamma C. The domain alpha, beta, gamma, very simple, and codomain ABC. Here range is also codomain, because all elements having pre-image in domain. So A, B, C. Now second part, in third figure, if I will say it is a function or not, set B. Suppose I am taking beta 1, A, B, C again, A, B, and B I will take here and gamma here. So it is function or not. All elements, the basic definition of function, all elements of set A, all elements are related to set B. Yes, it means it is a function. Suppose if I will make another diagram, alpha, beta, and ABC. Here one element is left, because the basic definition is each and every element of set A. Here only two elements are connected through AB and other gamma element is left, so it is not a function. Now uniquely connected, what is the meaning of this? It means in other figure, if I will write ABC and alpha, beta, gamma, if I will take 1 and BC, so I will say it is a function or not. Suppose it is A to B, it will be understood. So it is function or not. A having two images are there, alpha, beta, and B, gamma. So look at this part, unique image. What do you mean unique image? Means A is connected through uniquely alpha and alpha, but here A is connected through uniquely alpha and beta. Both image A having alpha and beta, so it is not a function.